staying in tune with the rhythm of life can often mean trading a sit-down breakfast for an extra 5 minutes of sleep. But who said quick can't be delicious and nutritious? Today, we've explored 10 breakfast ideas that are perfect for anyone living life in the fast lane. We began with overnight oats, a no-cook method that allows your breakfast to prepare itself while you snooze. Then, we ventured into the vibrant world of smoothie bowls, where your culinary creativity can shine bright early in the morning. Next, we examined the simple yet satisfying avocado toast, a canvas for endless toppings to suit your personal taste. We also delved into the delightful layers of a Greek yogurt parfait, a breakfast that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Who could forget the hearty breakfast burrito, a portable meal that packs a punch of protein and fiber? And then the chia seed pudding, an overnight sensation that transforms tiny seeds into a creamy, satisfying breakfast. We also highlighted breakfast muffins, a bake-ahead solution that's perfect for those morning rushes. The peanut butter banana toast is another quick fix, combining the richness of peanut butter with the natural sweetness of bananas. Our journey continued with the veggie omelette, a protein-packed breakfast that can be tailored to include your favorite vegetables. And finally, we wrapped things up with the breakfast quesadilla, a crispy, cheesy delight that's perfect for those on-the-go mornings. So remember, even when the clock is ticking, there's always time for a quick, nutritious breakfast. From overnight oats to breakfast quesadillas, these 10 ideas can help you start your day on the right note. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep cooking, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep enjoying your meals.